Sit back, relax, watch me install this Amazon wig that was sent to me, enjoy some music, and subscribe.
Shall I proceed? Yes, you
Want to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right when I see you, when I see you. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone, and you're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were showing the stars outside. What's the reason why?